We're at the bird exhibit. Look how pretty some of these birds are. What do you like? What? Okay, there's no birds. I don't see anything. Let's go see the toucan again. I want to see the toucans. Come, let's go see the red ones. Come, David, show the camera the red ones. Come, let's go show. Ah, no, those are so big. So big. They're so beautiful, those giant. Oh, he looks like a rainbow. Look at him. David, look at the bird. Wow. Is he a female? He's angry? There's more. Is the bird angry? Bird's angry? He's big. Bite. It's their bite. It's their house, right?
No bite. Cleaners. Not cleaners. It broke.
It broke?
Yeah.